since you allowed her a snide comment, you will allow me a snide comment as well.
So my question is,
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Diba?
Okay.
Yes, Madam Chair.
So,
May I, before you proceed, may I remind both our guests and our resource
You should have reminded
persons
her
to
when she said the
refrain
line, diba? I called your attention, Madam Chair. You did not recognize me. So, ngayon, sasabihin ko na, if you allowed her that, you allowed me a snide comment as well.
I don't recall hearing a snide comment, Madam Vice President. Ang snide comment, that's a matter of judgment. So please proceed
Secretariat,
with your...
Madam Chair, I would like the Secretariat to repeat the first 3 lines of comments.
well, point of order, Madam Chair. Point of order, Madam Chair, kasi parang...
So let's please proceed with the answer.
Point of order,
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, kasi parang siya yung nagpe-preside eh.
Yes,
Siya
that's
yung
why
talaga ang buhay, ma'am.
Kasi inuutusan
Madam
mo
Vice
yung
President.
Secretariat natin sa Committee on
Ganyan
Appropriation.
Yes.
Alam
Some
ano,
order,
diba?
please.
So,
Yes.
okay. Thank you,
Madam
Madam
Vice
Chair.
President, please proceed with the response. There's a question. Please proceed with the response.
Madam Chair, I do not understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat
Point of
of the
order,
House of
Madam Chair, ito yung sinasabi
Representatives.
natin na dinadivert ang usapan sa ating budget hearing. Kung nagawa po niya yan sa Senado, Madam Chair, dapat hindi natin yan pahintulutan dito sa Kamara.
You allowed her a snide comment and then you will not allow
Please,
me
please wait
a
to be
snide
recognized.
comment? Madam Chair, I still request for the rules of the budget hearings. Okay,
Vice
gusto mo sagutin ko, ma'am.
Yes, Madam.
This is a hearing of the budget of 2025. Nasaan dito ang confidential funds? Yung tanong niya,
Madam
confidential
Chair.
funds. Nasaan dito? Nasaan ang topic natin dito at ang pinasubmit ninyo sa amin is the budget proposal of 2025. Where in the budget proposal of 2025 is the item confidential funds. Sa in aid of legislation nga ninyo, nakalagay nga doon sa rules ninyo, diba? The discussion should be germane to the topic. The topic is a 2025 budget proposal. Now tell me,
Madam
Where
Vice
is
President, the Honorable Franz
confidential
Castro
funds?
has already provided a sufficient explanation for why she asked the question.
I request that the chairperson of the Finance Committee preside over this hearing. I did
Vice
not
President.
move, ma'am. I requested,
In the same
as
vein-
your resource person, I requested
So
that the
your request
chairperson
is
of the
denied,
committee.
Madam Vice President.
Narinig mo yung sinabi niya, ma'am? Narinig
So
mo yung
please proceed.
nakikinig ka sa kanya kanina?
Absolutely.
Walang rules dito.
Please proceed and answer the question. It's a very simple question.
Di ba?
Please explain the specific spending on those items that she enumerated, amounting to a total of, Honorable Franz, do you want to
amounting
repeat
to a
that?
total of 73.287 million. So, dahil may notice of disallowance, so ibig sabihin, Madam Chair, illegal ito at not in accordance with the joint circular by the COA, BBM, and other related agencies. So kung ito ay dinisallow, so ibig sabihin, illegal yung paggamit nito. Madam Chair, nitong mga items na binanggit ko po, Madam
Madam
Chair.
Chair,
Madam Vice President.
you cannot allow a member of the House to just claim that it is illegal. That is a
Madam
notice
Chair.
of disallowance. That is a procedure inside the Commission on Audit. Hindi sa upuan niya. Madam Chair, the invitation letter that we received from the House of Representatives. Dear Vice President Duterte, the House Committee on Appropriations will hold briefings, hearings on the budget proposals of various departments, agencies, and corporations relative to the fiscal year 2025 National Expenditure Program as the basis of the fiscal year 2025 General Appropriations Bill. Nasaan? Sa presentation ko kanina, ang haba. ang confidential funds. Madam Chair, the subject of this hearing is the OVP 2025 budget proposal. We do not have an item of confidential funds in the OVP budget proposal. The topic and the invitation of the House of Representatives to the Office of the Vice President for this hearing is the 2025 budget proposal. There is no confidential funds in the 2025 budget proposal.